Now, after failing to pick up a point at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in 2021, William Knibb are hoping to turn the gloom to glory this year and have already put things in place with the arrival of coach Roderick Miles.
Since the departure of Usain Bolt from William Knibb High, the school has had only mentions at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships courtesy of Jason Young and more recently fellow sprinter Andre Bent. But a few people who have passed through the walls of the Martha Bray-based school in Trelawney are hoping to bring back a presence in track and field to the parish. Handed the task to carry the program is Roderick Miles, the former coach of Rossies High.
The main thing is to get some scholarship out of the program. That's the main thing. And also there is nothing in this region and the North Course. There's no big track program, and most of the kids out of the speed parish, to be say, which is Trelawney, Usain Bolt, and even Ben Johnson too. It's like a number of people, Veronica Camber. It's like there's nothing in this region, so it's like they actually want to bring back. They actually want some of the talent actually to remain in this region, and actually give even the people of this region who have loved track and field. And it's like, especially in their primary school system, is like something to celebrate.
And Miles isn't worried about hitting the ground running.
The farmer school where I'm coming from is that it was a football school, and it was a challenge to change the culture. To say you can accept on next sports, and it's like I have seen we have finished top 5 at national champs with that program, and also it's like four Western champs out of it.
Miles has also sought to clear the air as it relates to recruiting from his former school.
Contrary to what people think, is like from my former school, all the asks is like the parents actually sent for from my former school, and it's like what I'm saying, it is not a hard school, I think, to scout because it is Trelawney High School.
He's asking for 2 years to stamp his class on the program, but doesn't rule out a good season this year.
I've seen some exceptional talent at a certain level. I am taking my time with them. I figure they're more for mature next year. But it's like, I am pleased with that number class 3 and class 2 athlete. I just want to get them to champs and expose them as champs.
Chavez Gray and Kalia Demetrius are two throws to make the trip to Martha Bray.
I expect to medal champs this year and bring in some points for William Knibb.
I expect to really go and outperform myself. I really want a gold medal. This would be my first year at champs, and it would just be a real pleasure to go there for the first time and do better than I have ever done.
Lavanya Williams, the Class 3 double sprint champion from last year, will have to sit out this year at champs, so her focus will be on the Carifta Championships.
To be honest, I'm trying to go to the under 20 Carifta trials to see if I can make the team, which I believe I can, so I'm going to go there and make the team.
And the team has already started to make their mark with 3 victories at the Camperdown Classics recently. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.